What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix copy-paste animator keyframes and missing keyframes problem. I hope I'm gonna solve your problem, and let's go. In my case, I make animation for camera and it works perfect, but my code says if you want to use this animation, you must create new animation folder for jumpscare1 camera. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna copy my camera keyframes only. Let's copy, and I'm gonna transfer there my camera, and I'm gonna create a new animation for my camera. And when I paste my keyframes, boom, position missing, rotation missing. You must press the add properties, transform, and add position and add rotation. In my case, I just have a position and rotation. That's why I must add position and rotation only. But if you have scale or another things, you must add day too. Alright, now we already copied this position and rotation, but I'm gonna copy this position and rotation again because I want to make my job guaranteed. I copied, and I'm gonna press remove properties and remove properties. I'm pressing position and I'm holding CTRL, and I'm pressing rotation and CTRL plus V, and there we go. It's working fine. You can see it's working awesome. And that's it guys. I hope I solved your problem. If you liked the video, you can subscribe me or like my video. That's it, goodbye.